If you're shopping for a VPN, you've definitely seen these names pop up: NordVPN and Private Internet Access, or PIA for short. They're both popular, both respected, but they're also very different once you dig deep beneath the surface. So which one is right for you? Stick around, we're breaking it all down. Let's start with the essentials. NordVPN is based in Panama, a privacy-friendly country with no mandatory data retention laws and no ties to major surveillance alliances. That's great news if privacy is your priority. PIA, on the other hand, is based in the US. That's a bit trickier. The US is part of the Five Eyes Alliance and has a history of compelling tech companies to hand over user data. It's something to consider. Server-wise, NordVPN runs over 7,150 servers in 118 countries, while PIA operates around 5,000 servers in 90+ countries. Both offer strong global coverage, but NordVPN has the edge in both server count and geographic reach. Both providers support all major platforms: Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and Linux, as well as browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox. NordVPN's apps are sleek, polished, and packed with features. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, the experience is smooth and consistent. Features are easy to access, and performance is snappy. PIA's apps are a bit more minimalistic. They do the job, they're stable, and they're secure. But if you're looking for something more intuitive or feature-rich, you might find them a little too bare bones. Both VPNs include essentials like split tunneling, kill switches, leak protection, and DNS security. But NordVPN pushes the envelope further. It includes threat protection, which blocks trackers, ads, and malware, even when you're not connected to the VPN server. There's Double VPN, which routes your traffic through 2 encrypted tunnels. There's Onion over VPN for those who want to combine Tor with their VPN. And then there's obfuscated servers, which hide the fact that you're using a VPN at all. PIA keeps it simpler. It offers PIA Mace, a basic ad blocker, split tunneling, and dedicated IPs. They're solid features, but they don't go as deep as what NordVPN offers. Here's where PIA stands out. It offers unlimited simultaneous connections. One account, as many devices as you want. NordVPN limits you to 6 devices at once. For most people, that's plenty. But if you're running a household full of connected gadgets, unlimited might be a big draw. Encryption-wise, both VPNs offer the gold standard, AES 256 and SHA-SHA-20, with support for OpenVPN and WireGuard protocols. They've also both moved to RAM-only servers, which means no data is ever written to a physical disk, a great privacy feature. NordVPN, though, has gone a step further. It's been through multiple third-party audits, including 5 no-logs audits and full security assessment of its apps and infrastructure. They've even upgraded their entire network to cell phone servers with 10 gigabits per second speeds. PIA has also passed a no-logs audit by Deloitte, which is great, but hasn't matched the same level of auditing and infrastructure upgrades as NordVPN. Let's talk speed. We ran tests across multiple locations on a 1000 megabits per second connection using WireGuard. In Seattle, NordVPN reached 892 megabits per second, while PIA hit only 41. In New York, NordVPN was at 849 megabits per second, while PIA was only at 23. In the UK, NordVPN delivered 809, while PIA only 10. That's a major difference. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing, speed matters, and across all tests, there was a clear gap. Streaming fans, listen up. NordVPN works flawlessly with 15+ Netflix libraries and handles Hulu, BBC iPlayer, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, and more, all without any fuss. PIA unfortunately struggles. Netflix often throws up error messages, and services like Amazon Prime and BBC iPlayer are usually blocked. If streaming is important to you, this would be a deal breaker. Both VPNs support torrenting, but NordVPN allows it on all servers and delivers blazing fast speeds. PIA only allows torrents on certain servers, and has been known to block connections if it detects torrent traffic on the wrong ones. Let's talk money. PIA offers a 3-year plan at $1.98 per month, one of the lowest on the market. NordVPN's best deal is $3.09 per month for a 2-year plan. A bit pricier, but still affordable, especially considering the added features. Both offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you've got time to test drive either one. Value isn't just about price, it's about what you get for your money. With NordVPN, you get a wide range of advanced features, blazing fast speeds, top-tier security audits, excellent streaming support, and responsive 24/7 live chat support. PIA gives you unlimited device connections and a lower price, but with fewer features, slower speeds, and more limited streaming. Both VPNs have their strengths. If you need basic VPN protection across a ton of devices and you're on a low budget, PIA could do the job. But if you want the full package, faster speeds, stronger security, more streaming access, and robust features, NordVPN clearly brings more to the table. So that was the breakdown. If you're ready to dive in, you'll find the best current deals linked below. And if you've used either of these services, let us know what your experience has been like in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay safe out there. Your privacy matters.